Greetings today from the Mayor's office. I'm here today with our Public Safety Director, Dan DeGroot, our Department of OEM Coordinator, Anthony Rosario, Captain Delaney, Chief Law Enforcement, our Town Administrator, Carlos Sanchez. Trevor Weigel, our Health Officer, is in the field handling cases and coordinating with our health officials. I want to let you all know today that I've lived in Dover for over 40 years. I started my journey in the 3rd Ward as an alderwoman. I ran because I care about people and the community. That was my top priority, and that remains my top priority today. The top priority for my administration is to keep the residents of Dover informed and safe. No one in Dover has been found sick with COVID-19. I want to thank you for your patience and your support in these difficult times. We have information coming from the New Jersey Department of Health, Center for Disease Control, the Town of Dover's website, social media. As the situation is evolving in the Town of Dover, they may decide to expand its executive order. How can you help? Keep safe by washing your hands frequently. Cover your mouth with a bent elbow when coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching your face with your hands. Avoid contact with those who are sick and stay home if you are sick. Maintain a safe social distance. If you need emergency assistance, please call the hotline at 1-800-222-1222. Trained healthcare professionals are standing by to answer your calls and questions. The New Jersey Department of Human Services has 24 hours and has language access at 1-877-294-4357. We want to thank all of our health professionals, doctors, nurses, and essential personnel, our police, and our fire.
I'm Chief Law Enforcement Officer John Delaney with the Dover Police Department, and I'd like to encourage each and every one of you to remain calm and vigilant during this time. I want to assure you that we are in constant contact and are coordinating with our outside agencies and doing everything we can to keep our community safe.
My name is Dan DeGroot. I'm the Public Safety Director for the Town of Dover. I want to encourage everyone to be assured that our police, fire, and Office of Emergency Management personnel are there to serve. Everyone is prepared and trained in the event of any issues concerning this pandemic. And if you need any assistance, call 911, and police, fire, and OEM will be there to provide whatever assistance you may need. Aside from that, we encourage you to follow the CDC protocols concerning this disease.
I'm Anthony Rosario, Deputy OEM Coordinator for the Town of Dover. Over the last 3 weeks, we've received several communications specifically directed at responders. We've had numerous conference calls for all levels of government, and we've continued to disseminate information to all departments as it's relevant. As stated earlier, the Department of Health for the Town of Dover is the lead agency, and we will continue to support them and our responders in the community. If you do not have a Smart 911 or emergency notification system sign up at this time, please go to our website at dover.nj.us and sign up. It would be in the left-hand header, and you can sign up to receive emergency notifications should anything change and we need to contact the public. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Dover. My name is Carlos Sanchez. I'm the Deputy Town Administrator, and I'm here with the Mayor and the professionals to bring a message to all Dover residents. Please remain calm and continue to follow our website for instructions as we move forward with this epidemic. Now, if you don't mind, I'm going to translate to Spanish and send a message to our Latino community. Buenas tardes, residentes de Dover. Quiero informarles que con la alcaldesa y el equipo profesional que tenemos aquí en Dover, hemos estado trabajando fuertemente, comunicándonos diariamente con los oficiales del condado, del estado y oficiales federales. Queremos mandar el mensaje de que por favor mantengan su calma y sigan las instrucciones que hemos puesto en nuestra página cibernética en www.dovernj.us. Por favor, mantenga distancia y siga manteniéndose libre de cualquier enfermedad. Si usted tiene alguna pregunta o está teniendo síntomas de la enfermedad, por favor, comuníquese inmediatamente con su doctor o con los hospitales. Queremos decirle a todos los residentes que la administración sigue trabajando fuertemente y estamos reportando hoy día de que hoy no tenemos ningún caso positivo en la ciudad de Dover. Queremos seguir mandando estos mensajes porque esto está cambiando día a día, pero queremos pedirle a los residentes que por favor nos ayuden a mandar el mensaje. Por favor chequee con sus vecinos para estar seguro que estén bien, y si pueden ayudar de alguna manera, por favor háganlo. Por favor, eviten cualquier reunión grande y utilicen el internet o utilicen su teléfono para comunicarse. Estamos aquí a su servicio y nuestra prioridad es la salud de todos los residentes de Dover. Por favor, mantengan su paciencia, mantengan su salud, y si en algo los podemos ayudar, por favor, comuníquese con nosotros aquí en la ciudad. Estamos a su servicio como siempre y seguimos rindiendo homenaje a todos los doctores, las enfermeras, la policía, los bomberos que nos están ayudando en este episodio. Por favor, manténganse comunicados y estén bien de salud. Gracias.